am Komali Krishna, studying ninth class in Lotus National School, Warangal campus. So today I am going to tell you about Kargil Vijay Divas Day. So this Kargil Vijay Divas is on 26th of July. On this date, in 1999, India successfully took command of the high outposts. The Kargil War was fought for more over than 60 days and ended in 26th July 1999 when the Pakistani army took advantage of melting snow and betraying the bilateral understanding of both the nations. Then the post would remain unattended during the winter season, took command of the high outposts of India. The Pakistani army denied involvement in the war, claiming that it was caused by independent Kashmiri rebel forces. However, documents left behind the casualties and later statements by Pakistan's Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff showed involvement of Pakistani paramilitary forces led by General Ashraf Rashid. The Kargil War was resulted in loss of life, and both the sides and was ended when India regained control over the post and ejected the Pakistani army out of the territory. Thank you.
I am Manaswini from 9th standard. First of all, I wish a happy Kargil Divas to all. In this video, I want to share a few lines about the Kargil Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26th July every year in honor of Kargil War's heroes. The day is celebrated in the Kargil sector and the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldier at Arm Jawan Jyoti India Gates every year. Day celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas to rekindle the pride of various of soldiers who took a part of Operations Vijay. The day marks with the victory of India soldiers in the mountain highest the were occupied by the Pakistan army on. The government of India responded with the Operation Vijay of mobilization of 2 lakhs India troopers. The war came to an official end on the July 26, 1999. 527 soldiers from India Army Force lost their lives during the war. This marking is Kargil Vijay Divas. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Kargil Vijay Divas is on 26th of July. On this date in 1999, India successfully took command of the high outpost. The Kargil War was fought for more than 60 days and ended on 26 July 1999, when the Pakistani army took advantage of the melting snow and betraying the bitter understanding of the both nations that the post would remain untended during the winter season, took command on the high outpost of India. The Pakistani army denied involvement in the war, claiming that it caused by independent Kashmiri rebel forces. However, documents left behind by casualties and later statements by Pakistani's Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff showed involvement of Pakistani paramilitary forces, led by General Ashraf Rashid. The Kargil War resulted in loss of life on both the sides and was ended when India regained control over the post and ejected the Pakistani army out of the territory. And once again, I wish you all happy Kargil Divas. Thank you.
My name is Avinash. I am from class 10th. Today, I am going to say about Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26th of July every year in India. It is celebrated to honor the sacrifices of the soldiers who sacrificed their life during the Kargil War in 1999. In the Kargil sector in Jammu and Kashmir, in 1999, India and Pakistan fought a battle known as Operation Vijay. After fighting for 3 months in the freezing heights of Kargil, India won the battle on 26th of July 1999, bringing the success of Operation Vijay. On this day, every year, Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers who sacrificed their life at Amar Jyoti near India Gate in New Delhi. Today, we are celebrating 22nd anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas.
Hello everyone, this is Imnish Meena of class 9 Lotus National School, Hyderabad. Today I am going to say some few words on Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas, named after the success of Operation Vijay, is observed to mark the end of Kargil War. The war that was lasted up to 2 months was fought mainly in the Kargil sector of Jammu and Kashmir between India and Pakistan. Both the sides lost many soldiers and the war came to an end when on 26th of July 1999 India fought and took command of the outposts that had been lost to Pakistani invaders. The Kargil Vijay Divas was not only observed in the Kargil Dras sector but also in New Delhi where the Prime Minister of India homages to at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India.
Hello everyone, myself Vijay and I am going to give you a speech on Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in India to honor the lives and sacrifices of the brave soldiers who laid their lives on the front lines to secure a victory against the aggressive enemy of Pakistan. The war took place between May and July of 1999 and was fought for more than 60 days, which ended on 26 July 1999. The day commemorates the success of Operation Vijay launched by the Indian Army to recapture the Indian territories from Pakistani intruders in the Kargil Dras sector. It's also a way to pay respect to all the brave soldiers who continue to defend the nation's walls right now. It's a gesture of appreciation to them. The intention between Kargil Vijay Divas is not just to commemorate the sacrifice but also to inspire the young generations from past experiences of national service and sacrifice. Thank you.